skaters? I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and Sugar Roller Skates. I'm here at the Fountain Valley Skating Center to talk to you today about practice. Yes, practice. We are going to practice doing your downtown with a 360 on each side. Why? Why would we do this? Because it's good for you. It's good for you to help you really get into doing your downtown and making it smooth. And then when we throw a 360 on each side, which is a little 2-foot turn there, listen, we work on turning each direction because I know, don't lie to me, you got a good side and you got another side that you're like, When you do this continuous downtown with a little 360 on each side, you are gonna get smooth at turning both directions, okay? I really, really love this little practice, and I do it almost every single time I come skating. Today's video is brought to you by Wicked Skatewear. Wicked Skatewear is located here in Orange County, California, Huntington Beach to be specific, or you can go to LA, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's a Wicked Skatewear out there, I bet you didn't know. I'll put in all the locations down below so you can click on that, see where they're at, go there in person, you can go online to wickedskatewear.com. Please use my promo code GETDIRTY. That'll help you save some money. All right, you guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, why not? Please go ahead. Follow me on Instagram, and if you feel this video or really any of the videos that I've done in the past have been beneficial to you in your development as a skater and you want to help support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. There's a little thanks button down there with the little heart. You can click on that and donate any amount that you would like. Please know any donations will go into furthering this channel and keeping everything nice and free and clear. All right, skaters, let's get into it. Let's practice a downtown with a 360 on both sides. Don't know how to do a downtown? No problem, I got you. I got a playlist that I'm going to link below so that you can go into all the videos that show you how to do a downtown. I'm going to make this as easy as possible. There's many ways in which to do the spin on each side or the 360 on each side, but lucky for you, I'm going to break it down and teach you the easiest way to do it, okay? It's going to look like this. You're going to do your downtown. Here's me doing my downtown, right? You're going to put weight on the outside foot and pivot on the inside foot. Here's my downtown. I'm putting weight on my outside and pivoting on my inside. Weight on my outside, pivot on my inside. Weight on my outside, pivot on my inside. When I say pivot, I mean this. Okay? That is just me bending my knee, putting pressure over my front truck to get my heel off the floor. Oftentimes, if I told you to pick up your heel, you would do it too much to the point that it would not be effective. So instead of thinking of lifting your heel, think of depressing your toe over your front truck. That'll get your heel up just enough to help you pivot, okay? So we're gonna do our downtown, weight on the outside, pivot on the inside, weight on the outside, pivot on the inside. For clarity, when I say weight on the outside, I'm saying put your body weight on your outside foot, the foot farthest from you, okay? So I'm going like this. Weight is here as I pivot around. Every time that we do our turn, the turn is to the back, okay? Turn is to the back, as opposed to you doing it and, I can't even do it, turning this way. You want to be, keep the flow going here, keep the flow going here, okay? What you don't want to do is turn back in on yourself, okay? The flow is to the out. So it's gonna be downtown, I'm going out and around, downtown, out and around. Simple, easy pivots. What's cool about pivoting, what's nice about it, is if the song is slow, You can pivot, nice, slow, make it big. If it's tight, song is fast, and you need that pivot to be tight, that spin to be tight, you can pivot nice and tight. Or again, put that leg out and really sweep it around. All right, skaters, so let's practice just that. Now remember, it is crucial that you turn both directions. Even if at first one you're really struggling with, don't worry, you won't be struggling for long if you do this exercise. Why I believe in this so much is that I like to say my good side teaches my up and coming side, okay? When you do one after the other, one side starts to feel good and the other side starts to take from that and understand, oh, that's why it feels good, because my body weight pressure was here, I was turning quicker, slower, something about it is gonna click for you. So don't stress if one side is more difficult than the other. That's really the objective of this entire exercise, okay? So let's take a look at it from the other side. All right, skaters, thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do, and follow me on Instagram. I cannot wait to bring you another video, but if there's something within my vast library of videos that you haven't seen and you're like, Dirty, why aren't you teaching that? Let me know. Put it down in the comments section. And be a doll, honey. Go ahead and share this video. Let's give it some life. Let's get it out there so everyone who needs to do this kind of fun will have a chance to learn. All right, skaters. Now, as I always say, I just need you to go practice.